Hello everyone! So for today's video I'm doing a makeup look for Valentine's Day and I got inspired by the trend coquette. As you all know, first we start with the skincare. It's so important to first moisturize and then put sunscreen on just so that any little UV ray doesn't get on our skin. Then, as you guys know, I don't use base makeup, I just use a powder in matte finish and I used some blush. I'm also using this palette that has a lot of pink in it and I love it. This was my first ever eyeshadow palette and I still use it and I really love it, honestly. I don't know if they do it anymore, but you can for sure get some similar ones. Then I'm going on and I'm trying to make like an agyosal like in Korean makeup, but I have Caucasian eyes, so I try to then remove any harshness of those lines that I made with brown shadow with the matte powder that I use for my face. So if you notice that it's too much, like if it doesn't suit you so well, just like me, you can just try to blend it out with some powder. Then I do my eyeliner and then I use some eyeshadow powder. Like I just follow the lowest point of my eye and just try to make it like a straight line out to the outside, just so that it creates this effect. And I also used a black eye pencil for the inner part of my upper lashes. Then I put on some mascara and using the tweezers, please be careful with that, but I tried to make these manga lashes that were so popular months ago. Because I don't have any fake eyelashes, you could just do it with fake eyelashes, but I'm doing it with my natural lashes. I just used one lipstick and tried to blend it a little bit on the outside, and that's about it. So I hope you guys liked this video and please give it a like if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.